StudentsHouse.com.
Hi students, are you ready with preparation? Now we are going to start a quiz on the chemical equilibrium, and I have selected some challenging questions for you which are previous year questions only. Okay, but I am going to explain and I am going to give you the time. Okay, just as per 1 minute time I am going to give you, which you will get in the examination. Okay, so within 1 minute you should be able to solve and check my explanation. Are you ready for that? Get set go. Okay, here is the first question. Okay, here is the first question. Which of the following equilibria Kp not equal to Kc? Okay, your time starts now. Make it fast. Get It is very easy question, theory question, so you should not take even full time. Okay, so wait for my explanation. If you have already done, and there are chances that you may solve it wrong also, so get it fast. Don't be in trap, because some questions are very easy, appearing to be very easy. There will be some trick into that. Okay, 36 seconds. Time is getting up time. 45 seconds. 50 seconds. Now it is 53 seconds. 55 seconds and 60 seconds. So here explanation starts. The formula we need to use in this question is Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power of delta Ng. Okay, where delta N is equal to Np minus Nr, where product and reactant both should be in gaseous state. For Kp not equal to Kc, there can be delta Ng positive or negative. Okay, so according to this, here see in the A option, it is given as 2C plus O2 gives 2CO. Okay, here number of moles of product are how many? 2 moles. And reactant we have not counted carbon because it is in solid state and it is balanced, so number of moles of oxygen only is counted, 2 minus 1 1. Okay, so as per our question, what should be? Kp should not be equal to Kc. So what is the correct answer? A is the correct answer. Okay, are you ready for the next question? That may not be this much easy. Okay, get set go. Here is the next question. Okay, so I am going to give you the place. Okay, the 1 mole of N2O4 kept 300 Kelvin. Okay, and in a closed container under 1 atmosphere. Read the question. Already 15 seconds are over. This is a numerical, so it may require time. It is 1996 question, that much old year question, but very important question, very difficult, tricky question. 38 seconds. 44 seconds. 50 seconds. 55 seconds. And time up. Okay, here is the explanation. Here is the explanation for year 1 ATM. Okay, in the question already what it is given, kept in 1 mole of N2O4 at 300 Kelvin, kept in a closed container, and 1 atm. Initial pressure is what? 1 atm. Okay, so when number of moles increases due to dissociation, this is the reaction. So N2O4 is dissociating into 2NO2. So moles increases, obviously pressure increases. And most of the student, when this question came, they could not observe about the temperature. Here you can check, it is 600 Kelvin and initially it was 300 Kelvin. So pressure will double because of the temperature doubled. See, here it is 1 atm. After that, what it is taken as 2 atm. Okay, 2 atm minus, it is 0.2, it is given as 20%. So when temperature increases, dissociation will become 40%. So it will be minus 0.4. So 2 minus 0.4. So 0.4 into 2, you will get 0.8. So when you add all of them, how much you are going to get? 2.4 atm is the answer. Okay. So which option is correct? B option is correct. B option is correct according to the question. Is it understood? Ready for the next question? Okay. So learn something new or not? Okay, let us see the next question. Here is the next question on board. Okay, start reading. Time starts. Chemical reaction is given. A plus 2B reversible 2C plus D. The initial concentration of B is 1.5 times that of A. So equilibrium concentrations of A and B are found to be equal. Once equilibrium is attained, what is the concentrations? Both concentrations are same. But initially concentration of B is 1.5 times of A. So you have to find out equilibrium constant. 46 second, 49, 50. Keep noting down the questions. Time is getting up. Only 5 minutes. Sorry, 5 seconds. And time up. Here is the large calculation. Okay, here I will show you. Given reaction is A plus 2B. Okay, gives 2C plus D. So initial moles A I am taking it as a naught. So B will be 1.5 times. So 1.5 into A naught. As it is 0, C and D will be 0. If x moles are subtracted from capital A, then 2x moles will be subtracted from capital B. Okay, and here 2, here 2, so 2x, and here 1, so 1x. Okay, so where x can be degree of dissociation. But given that at equilibrium these two are equal. Okay, so A minus x is equal to 1.5 A naught minus 2x. With that, what we can find out? X you can find out. Okay, so once you know the x, you can substitute in the concentrations. So all concentrations are calculated, but they are in terms of the K only, but in terms of the A naught only. Okay, so in terms of the A naught only they are. Okay, now after that formula, what is K here? C square into D divided by A into B square. After substituting in that formula, we are getting K equal to 4. Is it understood? So which option is correct? D option is correct according to the question. Is it understood? So make a note of it. Don't be in hurry. Learn something new. All different model questions, previous examination questions only selected. Okay. So if you are able to solve this type of question, then there are bright chances of cracking examination with the good rank. Okay, so ready for the next question? Get set go. Okay, here is the next question. N2 plus 3H2 reversible 2NH3. N2 plus 3H2 reversible 2NH3, and this is the equilibrium Kp you have to find out. Okay, and total pressure you have to take P, and equilibrium constant of reaction. If the pure ammonia is left to dissociate, the partial pressure of ammonia is given by PNH3 you have to find out. Okay, in terms of Kp and P. P is total pressure, Kp is equilibrium constant in terms of the pressure. Okay, so start. Time is getting up. Okay, doing 15 seconds over 25 seconds, 30 seconds, 50 seconds, 5 seconds, 3 seconds, stop. Okay, here is the explanation. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. In this one, partial pressure of N2, if I am taking P, then partial pressure of H2 is going to be how much? 3P, because this coefficient 3P. Okay. At the same time, at equilibrium I am taking, so partial pressure of NH3 is going to be how much? 2P. So P total is going to be P plus 3P is equal to 4P. As in the question it is given, when compared to total pressure, P total is very high when compared to PNH3. Okay. So that is what we have compared. Kp is equal to PNH3 whole square divided by Pn2 plus PH2 to the power of 3. And substituting here, PNH3 is very small. So I am neglecting in the terms of the total pressure. Okay, so that is the difference when you are given with the small sentence. P total is very much high as compared to PNH3, and as it is a product, we cannot take how much pressure it is formed. Okay, so PNH3 whole square divided by, after simplification, we are getting PNH3 whole square by 27 into P is equal to 4P. What is P here? Total pressure. What is small p here? Partial pressure. Okay. So on simplification, finally we are getting this 3 to the power of 3 by 2 P square into Kp to the power of 1 by 2 divided by 16. Okay. Make a note of it. Very important, very lengthy question. So every calculation must be done with care. Okay. Noting down. Shall we go for the next question? Okay, next question. Here is also very important question and frequently asked question. Okay, 5.1 gram of ammonium hydroxide. Sorry, ammonium bisulfate. Okay, sulfide. NH4SH is introduced into 3-liter evacuated flask at 327 degrees Celsius and 30% of solid. Okay, so that means NH4SH is a solid, so it should not be counted in terms of the pressure. Decompose to give NH3 and H2S. So the Kp of the reaction at 327 is, and molar mass also given, and 4 options are given. 2019 mains 10th January 11th question. Okay, so try to solve it. Already 12 seconds are over. 20 seconds are over. 25 seconds. 30 seconds. 35 seconds. 40 seconds. 45 seconds. 50 seconds. 55 seconds, and it is 60 seconds. Okay, so see, this is the explanation. First, it is main problem is that mass is given. How much mass is given? 5.1 grams is given. Normal calculation involves them into the moles. So for converting them into the moles, what we have to do? Divide with the molecular mass. That's why molecular mass is calculated, and it is very easy calculation. 51 is the molecular mass, 5.1 is the mass given, so that your calculation must be easy. That means moles of NH4SH is 0.1. Okay, So ammonium hydroxide, ammonium thiohydroxide. Okay, 0.1 and 0, 0. So when T is equal to equilibrium, let us suppose 0.03 moles, 30% it is given. So 30% of zero point 0.1 will be subtracted. Okay, so then that 30% of whatever subtracted will be formed in NH3, 3 into 30% of 30% of zero point 0.1 will be formed in H2S. Okay, here it is also 1 mole, it is also 1 mole. 30% will be subtracted here, 30% will be added here. Okay, so that is the final answer. Okay, so on calculation it is given as, see here how many liter, see 3 liter container is given. Okay, so 0.01, 0.03 are the moles formed divided by 3 liter. So 0.001 are moles per liter, that is concentration. As solid concentration you should take as how much, 1. So then you will get Kc value. With the concentration what you can find out, Kc. But in question, if you carefully observe, what is the question? Question is about Kp. Okay, so Kp, question is about what? Kp. That's why Kc is converted into Kp, and it is very easy now. 2 moles of product, 0 moles of reactant, 2 minus 1, 2. So Kp is equal to Kc, then you are getting this answer. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, next go to the next question. The equilibrium constant at 298 Kelvin for this reaction is 100 if the initial concentration of all 4 species. This already, this type of question discussed, and it is similar to, some values are changed. 1 mole each, 1 molarity each, that means reactant also 1 molarity, product also 1 molarity. Then equilibrium concentration of D. Okay, so already 3 seconds are over. You can start fast. Do it fast. Time is getting up. Getting up time. Make it fast. $35 seconds. 40 seconds. 45 seconds. 50 seconds. 55 seconds. And it is 60 seconds. Okay, here is the answer. Simple, 1 mole each are taken. Okay, and 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 plus x, 1 plus x. Product will form, that's why it is plus. Reactant will be utilized, that's why it is minus. So substituted in the KEQ. So 10 square is equal to that square. Squaring, applying the square root on both sides, you will get this value. Okay, so on simplification, x how much we got it? 0.818. But question is about what? Question is about D, 1 plus x, 1 plus 8.1 1.818. This is the answer. Okay, so next question is here. Start. Very easy question. For the reaction SO2 plus half O2 reversible SO3, Kp is given and X value you have to find out. Very easy question. So this was the lucky fellows of the 2014 mains. I don't think you require full time for this. Should I stop? Okay, I am stopping it here only. Very simple question. Okay, is it understood? So that's all. I think you are felt very nice now. This type of quiz will give you the exposure to new questions and boost your confidence. Okay, so all questions are previous questions only and different models. No model is repeated. I hope you enjoyed it and your score you should know. Understood? So, what is the problem with this chapter? You should understand by this time. Okay, all the best, prepare well. We will come with that quiz, this type of quiz in future also. If you like this quiz and share it to your friends. Bye bye.